Good afternoon everyone, my name is Bhupender Singh and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today I will teach you that how to make a bird with the help of your hands. So let's start. Take the white sheet and put your hand like this. Fingers are closed and thumb in open position, and take the sketch pen and draw the outline. So just like this, put it here and just draw the outline like this. You can see. Now just fold it like this, and now continue from here and join them like this. Now you can make a beak over here like this. Make big eye over here. Make his wings like this and his feet down over here. So you can see you can draw very easily one bird with the help of your hands. Now you can do the color in this. I am using crayon color. You can choose any other kind of color as well. So for the beak and his feet I am using orange. First do the outline and then just fill it. Do the same for the feet as well. Orange shade and fill them. And for the body I am using yellow color. Before that I am using blue shade for the eye like this. Now you can use orange color, yellow color or any other color to make the body. First do outline like this and then you can fill it in this part. So outline is done. Now with the help of this crayon you can fill this part. Do it in one direction and do not leave any white space. Like this you can fill it. Make small strokes. Just fill it like this, and you can see you can easily draw bird with the help of your hand. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.